This is your head. This is your body. This is your arms. You have to follow this procedure without failure. As you understood, this disease affects the soul and the lung. And in that process, the soul of physicality, which is the heart of the man, is in between. So what you understand, the minute you are infected, the chain has been built. The separation of the physicality from the soul starts. Because they're aware of what is to come. You need to support both. The process has to be in this way. The first thing you do, you spray your chest. You wet your chest with a gas water from Cup of Life every hour. This is on a condition that you are infected. For prevention, we come to later. Every hour, once you tested, you had a headache and you felt the tightness of the chest, and you did the test, you're coughing, this is your next step within 5 minutes. You put gas water on either side of your lung. What this does, it transfers the energy of the virus into the gans of what you put in, and this will dissipate into the atmosphere or to your clothing. So you're depleting the virus energy. This is all you can do. Don't forget, the heart is in the center of the two. If you look at it in reality, with a brain, you have made your star formation. And in a way, gives a chance for the soul to take its flight. Then what you do, after you covered the body, immediately you cover your face with a spray or wet of the gas. Then you spray, please do not try to wash, try to spray gas water around your head. Again, by the same principle, you transfer energy out. And at the same time, you transfer energy in, satisfying the soul. The face is to take the energy from if the cells affected or landed on your face. The head is to elevate the soul because of the zinc. The third step is to take immediately water, gas water, to wash any possibility of any material of contaminated to be present, and at the same time feeding the soul. Every 15 minutes to 1 hour, you take one sip, or about 50 ml of gas water. Now, the next step for you is to put the gas water in what we call hubble bubble, in shisha, whatever you call, make a Coca-Cola bottle with 2 holes in it, and put a stick in it, a pipe, a straw to the bottom, and a straw in the up, and fill it up with the gas water, and you inhale. You inhale at least 10 minutes in every hour. And what you do by inhaling, you take the energy inside And by having the other energy, which is weaker outside on the skin, you deplete the energy of the virus. You will lose your temperature within the first hour if you have a high temperature. The temperature should come down within 1 hour to 3 hours maximum. The fever goes. Do not get fooled. If you had a coughing, depending on how badly the lung is damaged, will repair itself in over days. You might lose most of the irritation very rapidly too. The sweating will go. Once you've gone through this process, you carry on for 2 to 3 months. The strangest thing is, you will stop somewhere. This is when the soul is satisfied and informs the arm to not give me any more water. We see this with all the technologies. When I used to help people, I always tell them when I gave them the system, they said, when do I stop? I said, look, come back soon. The day you say, oh, I forgot to drink, is the day that you have reached the steps of completion. You bring the system back. Because when you're not hungry, you don't eat. When the body doesn't need it, you'll find out you forget doing it because there's no need for it. This is for recovery. Spray your body long and back every hour. If you have seen the positive sign of the breathing and the guts, then spray the face first every hour. Then spray the head every hour. You do this for 3 days, and after that, you step down to prevention. That is, you keep yourself safe 2 or 3 times a day. Then you drink water every hour. Then you inhale every hour for 10 minutes directly with the water, gans water. Please do not drink from the gans itself. And if you follow this process, you stand a good chance of surviving the situation.